Welcome to the first video of this series, and in this video we are going to discuss how we can make a beautiful loader page using Figma. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, we have to create shapes. As you know, like a loader is always majorly a circular in nature. So we will create a circular loader first, which is the basic primary loader for any web application which we see. So first of all, we will go to the shapes and we'll select ellipse. We'll draw an ellipse. So this shape can be different, so here we will set it. So I am setting it as width 150 and the height as 150. So here when I select, you will see that just a second. Yes, here you will see this dot which is arc. Here you can like pull it upwards to like create a section of from here, and in the ratio part we can reduce it. So here what I will do, I will pull that backward, then you can see it is creating a thick round border around. So this is the thing. Now what we will do is basically we will apply angular gradient over this thing. So we will go to this fill section. Here in solid we will click, we will go to this angular part and we will select a color of our choice. I am picking up green loader as of now, so I am dragging this over here. So if you see now, this is not something which is looking very good, because like a little bit of green is over here, the main green part is over here, which gets faded when it goes like in the end. So we have to rectify this. So how we can do this? We can basically do this by setting up this color portions. So now this will be the like the major dark part, and this will be our major green part. So yes, now this is how it is, and in the end section we will also select green because the transparency will end in green as well. So yeah, the first static circle, or you can say ellipse, is done for us. Now we will create some clone of it. So this is what we are doing. We have created clones. Now you have to understand one thing, that this loader will move like this. Okay, so what we can do, we will select and we will change the angles. So this is minus 90, this is minus 180, and this is minus 270, or you can say plus 90, anything will do. Now what we will do, we will select all these loaders, we will click on the top, create multiple components. We will create multiple components, and here on the right side we will see a combine as variants. So we will click over here, combine as variants. Done. Now this is a one single parent component with different variations. Now what we have to do, in this static component we have to put animations. How we will do that? We will click on the first static part, we will go to prototype. Here you will see a plus sign, we will drag that to the second one. Here on click we will do after delay of 1 millisecond. Instant will be of type smart animation, we will not beat an instant, and ease out should be linear, and the time duration, better I am giving 500 milliseconds, you can put any other thing. So we will go to the third one from second, again after delay 1 millisecond, smart animate linear 500. Again from here to the fourth one, after delay 1 millisecond, smart animate linear 500 milliseconds. Now as the loader is infinite, so again from the fourth one we have to go back to the first one. So let's see. Again we will give after delay 1 millisecond, linear 500 milliseconds. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to create a frame, like on which device you are interested to watch. So for that, what we can do, here our shapes part is there, so beside that you will see a thing called as frame. Here when you click on the frame, you will get a device list. So as of now I am clicking on iPhone 13 Pro, the screen is there. Now I will go to the asset section and I will see this first loader. I will pull this on my page, and then I have to align it properly with the horizontal and vertical half. So that's there, and I guess we are good to go. Let's start the animation and see if this works for us. And yes, it's working fine. As you can see, the loader is moving. Let me do the fit to screen. Yes, now you can see the loader is working, and this is what we actually desired. So that's all for this video. In the next video, we are going to make some other beautiful loaders, some advanced loaders. And yeah, so stay tuned. See you in the next video. Bye.